The drivers for the HyperX Cloud 3 are managed through the HyperX NGENUITY software, an audio management platform. To download, visit hyperx.com/Ngenuity or the Microsoft Store. Install the software, connect your headset, and Ngenuity will prompt you to update the firmware. These updates are crucial for ensuring 7.1 surround sound, noise cancellation, and EQ customization work correctly. Reinstalling after OS updates is recommended to avoid conflicts. The process should take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure that you do this to have optimal performance from your headset and to avoid any compatibility issues between your headset and computer or console. Driver updates delivered via Ngenuity are vital for optimizing the HyperX Cloud 3. Firmware updates ensure features like 7.1 virtual surround sound and noise cancellation function correctly. They also include EQ customization. Real-time adjustments of bass, treble, and presets can be achieved using DSP, digital signal processing, enhancing spatial awareness in games. Keeping drivers current addresses compatibility with Windows 11, macOS Ventura, and other systems, resolving issues like audio latency and occasional conflicts with antivirus software. By updating regularly, you will have lower latency, less background noise, and the best audio quality available.